Hey y'all, come on in for some deep thoughts. When I'm at the farmer's market, I generally overhear someone asking a farmer, how do I use this eggplant? Oh, what is that? It's bok choy. How do I use that? And the farmer will throw out a few ideas. It can be so intimidating at first to try to cook something you've never cooked. When I first started on this journey, I would have to go to the library. I would check out stacks of cookbooks and try to read, how do you cook it? How do you cut it? Now you have access to Instagram, YouTube, all the things. So even today, I will still come home and be like, I don't know what I'm in the mood for with this eggplant. How should I cook it? And I'll just YouTube and watch a few things to get a few inspiration ideas. But I do try to challenge my patients. A lot of them are not fond of eating vegetables, or they have only a couple that they enjoy. It's just go to the market, go to the grocery store, pick out one thing. Just try one thing. If every week you could try one thing new, then you could make progress. And I always gave myself an out. So if the meal did not turn out good, I always gave myself permission to go out to dinner and grab something. There would be times, though, some of the meals I made, after I had made it, the kids are eating it, and they're eating it and perfectly fine with it, but I'm eating it and tasting it and knowing that it's disgusting. But the kids aren't making any faces, so I just keep going, and I'm like, I can't believe they're eating this. This is disgusting. I didn't go out to eat that meal. Try it. Don't feel like you're a failure if your meal messes up. It's a journey. It takes a while to learn how to cook. It's a journey. Good luck. Try something new. Let me know what you try.